everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag 2crafters1design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. Each week we bring to you a theme, and this week's theme is wood, so anything that has wood on it or wood chip or whatever kind of image you want to use for wood. You may do so. Next week's theme will be treat box. Since Valentine's Day is right around the corner, treat boxes would be perfect. Also, we enter our projects into hashtag Satmore Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood, and the ladies' links will be down below. So this week, what I chose to use for wood was this image right here, or this stamp set, and it's by Judykins, I think that's what it is. But I really love this. I picked this up from Hobby Lobby for $3.74. And then the other items that I'm using, cut from Cuddle Me Clay Tay, I'm using this little small batch of flowers there. I love these. Got to get some more. And then also, once again, from Cuddle Me Clay Tay, I'm using the yellow clayberries. And these are just too cute. I love that. From Impression Obsession, this is a die that I picked up before they closed their doors, called Folk Art Trellis, and I thought it was pretty small, but I really love how the image, the card looked after I was finished. My Creative Time, I am using ice cream and snow cone stamp and dies, but I'm just using this stamp here, Thinking of You. Simon Says Stamp. I picked up this color blend, and I'm using this color right there. CC Designs, I'm using these scalloped rectangles, and I think I'm using this one maybe, or maybe one more down. And also from CC Designs, I'm using the rectangles, and it might be like that one there. And here goes this adorable card that I created. I love how it turned out. It is just so super cute. Let me just show you that a little bit more close. Look at that. It's just so cute to me. Look at those little clayberries. I thought that was perfect for that. And then the little flowers, I found some in blue and white. And I thought I would put two blue there, one white there, and then just the opposite on the other side. I did forget to bring up some leaf flowers from My Creative Time, but those are right there. And I love that Thinking of You. I just added that little piece right back into there. It cuts out, but I added it back. That's what I thought I would use for my sentiment there. And then I added some little bitty gems underneath there. The ink that I used, it almost looks gray, but I did VersaFine Nocturne ink is what I used. And then there goes that die from CC Designs here. You can barely see the stitching, but it is there. And then there goes that other small scallop that I used. And I did cut out on my trimmer the papers, the black papers right behind it. But so pretty. And then there goes the inside. I took those hearts that came out of here, and I just inked them up with Copics and colored them up in the inside of there. This card, it is smaller than an A2 size. Let me tell you what it is. This card measures 3.75 by 5 1/4. I wanted it to look like it was perfectly designed for the card base, so that's why I just cut it down. But I really like it. It looks like I have some glue there, but I'm going to get that off with my eraser. But so super cute. I love this card. I might make a few more because I thought it just turned out so pretty, even though this was really tiny. And this is probably like 2.5 inches maybe, or it might be 3 inches, but this is probably like 1.75. So, but I really like this. I'm so glad I picked up that trellis. If you have enough time this week, make sure you join in on our collabs. So that's hashtag 2crafters1design. This week's theme, wood. Next week's theme, treat box. And also hashtag Satmore Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood. And so make sure you visit Lisa and Gloria. I'll have their links down below. And that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.